If you are new to Ploutos, then this video is going to show you how to get up and running with your new budget. The first thing we are going to do is add in all of our spending accounts, like checking, savings, and credit cards. Accounts in Ploutos can be linked or unlinked. A linked account will pull in all of your transactions from your financial institution, leaving you to just categorize them. Let's add a checking account now. What you are going to want to do is log into your real bank account and get the actual balance. For now, we are just going to estimate, but you can always change this value in the future. Now you can see we have money in our budget. If you add a credit card with a balance, it will subtract from our budget amount. Ploutos Budget assumes you are paying your credit card off in full every month and not carrying a balance. Your budget will be pre-populated with some default collections and categories to get you started. These are completely customizable and can be arranged any way you see fit. You can also add more if need be. Collections are used to group together like categories, and categories are used to allocate money towards a specific purpose. If you are familiar with the envelope system, you can think of each category as an envelope that holds money. One last tool you have to help you plan for future expenses is goals. Goals are the plan for where you would like to put your money as it comes in, and your budgeted money is where you actually put it. So adding or subtracting from your goal money doesn't affect your budgeted amount. It is just a tool to help you plan. To add a goal to a category, we just select the category and then click Budget. As you add in goals, you can see the total goal amount that we have for this month. This can be an indicator if your plan is feasible or not based on how much you plan to make this month. When you get a paycheck or any income, you just add a transaction and categorize it as budget, and that will add it to your amount to be budgeted. We only budget the current money we have and not any future money we plan to get. Our goal when budgeting is to assign a purpose for each dollar we have. If you are starting in the middle of the month, then you only need to fund the categories that you still need money for this month. You will most likely not have enough money when starting to fund all of your categories right away, and that is okay. Once you get your next paycheck or more income into your budget, you will apply it to your next priorities. You will repeat this process every time new money comes into your budget. The last thing to go over is what you do when you spend money. You simply add a transaction and select the category you want the money to come from. If it is a linked account, you can simply wait until it is posted and it will show up in the Accounts tab, pre-filled out, leaving you to just categorize it. Eventually, you should start to get ahead of your spending and be starting to budget a month ahead. Don't be discouraged when first starting to budget if you find yourself moving money around a lot or being off on your categories. This is completely normal and will usually take 2 to 3 months before really understanding your expenses and how much money you need for various categories. Each month, we will tweak our goals as necessary to more accurately match our real life spending while making sure our goals are not surpassing our actual income for the month. Thanks for watching.